Today I'm going to be reviewing AMZ Pony's neck and back massager. I want to thank AMZ Pony for sending this to me to review. Let's open the box and check it out. Here it is. No joke. This looks really nice. This is just a can so you can see kind of the size of how it is. It's a pretty good size. This piece right here, so it's got like the Shiatsu's massagers right here. And then this is how you can control it. And then this is how you charge it. Really neat. This is what it looks like as you're using it. You put your arms through these and you pull down. Wow, this is actually really awesome. And then you can just adjust it here. It feels really, really good. This is how you can adjust the heat, which I really like. And you can adjust the movement. I mean, this thing's really comfortable. If you don't have these on, obviously it will just fall off. But it's a very comfortable feel. If you're just sitting there watching TV, you've got this on. This is what it looks like. Let me show you what the inside looks like. That's what it looks like there. Here's a close-up view of what it looks like with those things spinning. This does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.6 stars. I'd like to see 4.4, so it beats that. It's got almost 1,300 ratings. And last month, October 2025, 5,000 of these were bought. As Amazon choice, I can tell why. I'm like excited about this. I don't know what to say. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.